Octane Entertainment.
Year by year passes us by. We tend to look back to the times that are low, the times we were high. The way we wanted to fly away with ya. Fallen logs spark the heart glow of doves miss ya. Pain inside feeling like I've not stopped dealing up. Champagne and shame appealing to the soft and hearted side of us. Then we parted. We went our separate ways and it started to think a lot about ya. The love was building up, what we had was a beautiful fire. Building higher, making us stronger and making us weaker. One love heart that we desired. Shit. We thought whatever, smiling, dancing in fucking rainy weather. We were young, we had fun, we were ruthless, but we were at our best together. We pushed the world aside, said let it do whatever. We even caught colds that day together. Never let go to the times when the top stuff. You could take the mind and blind it around, mind's handcuffed and never let go. You could take a year or so and make it dope. Times are tough and fucked up and never let it go. If you cannot shed it up, then let it go. You could take up and dream up a fucking miracle and feel it go in the pain. Out the fucking window drain. Gotta know how to go and fucking never let it go. You put your fucking trust into someone and they're like a backstabbing bitch to make your heart crumble to the side, building up like a fire. You wanna kill the bitch because a goddamn cheater and a liar, thinking you had something fucking special with her, but she's fucking guys in the bed. I put my money into her. I was stupid and I was dull, but from the very beginning, August 3rd, I knew she was that fucking type of girl. Smiling at every fucking joke you make, it's lies. Telling you she loves you with a passion and it's lies. Spending every moment with you, talking conversation and working hard, a lot of kisses and it's lies. Oh dear Lord God, you might as well smite me. I sure was a corpse shot dead and sightly, but at least I have a goal, a dream to fulfill in life. You're 32, and you fucking at the end of the road.